Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss about one of the commonly asked interview questions. Okay, the scenario is whenever one account will create, automatically one contact with that tag to that particular account. Suppose let's say I'll create one account. Okay, with the account name, rating, phones, fax, or whatever information I'll put. It will create automatically a contact record, and this information will be populated in that particular contact. Okay, so as of now, just I'm taking three fields. Let's start the development. I'm going to developer console. I'll create one class for this apex class. I'll give the name account trigger handler. Okay, in this apex class I'll create one method for creating the contact. Okay, public static void create contact. In this method I'll pass the parameter list of account. Okay, which is SSC list. This SSC list will come from the trigger, which is in this scenario I'm going to call this class in the after insert trigger. Okay, so let me first we'll check this account list in blank or not. Okay, if this dot this size greater than equal to 0, then we'll iterate over this particular account list. I'll write for each for account SCC. I'll write SCC list, and inside the account I'll create an instance for the contact so that I can set the data for that particular contact. Okay, so contact un equal to new contact. Let's say I want to give the contact last name as the account name, contact dot last name, whatever the required parameter we have to put, dot last name equal to scc dot name, and I want to the phone number also. If contact dot phone equal to scc dot phone. Okay, so and for the tagging that particular account we have to tag that particular id also, account id equal to scc dot id. Here is the problem, we cannot create a contact inside the for loop. Okay, for that what we'll do, we'll create a list, a blank list where we can store all this data in that particular list, and we'll directly insert in that particular list, contact list. Okay, let's see, suppose we'll create one list of contact list for create equal to new list of contact. Here what we'll do, we'll add all the contact which we will set inside that list. Then we'll check whether this contact list is blank or not. Okay, so if it is blank, then it will 0. If it will not blank, it will be greater than 0. If dot size greater than 0, then we'll insert the list. Okay, so now we'll call this class in the trigger. Then we have to create one trigger on the account trigger. Okay, insert submit. So by default it is showing like before insert, so in this case we will call in the after insert. Okay, so I'll make change in the after insert. Then I'll write one condition which is call in the specific condition if trigger dot age insert and trigger dot age after. Okay, it will only call when trigger is inserted, and it will call after the record creation. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll call this class dot contact trigger dot new. Let me explain more clearly. So whenever account will create, it will call this trigger. Okay, once after the creation of the account, it will call that particular classes, and inside the classes it will pass the trigger.new. Trigger.new is nothing but the list of account where it will get this particular account, and this account we are checking whether this account is blank or not. Okay, if it is not blank, then we are iterating that particular account which is comes from the particular trigger. Okay, so here we are iterating. Suppose there is 5 account, so what it will do, it will go one by one, and it will set a contact for that particular account, and it will add the new list of the contact. Okay, so here it will add the all sub for the 5 respective account, it will tag the particular contact, and it will store in the new list. And we are checking if this list is not null or greater than 0. If there is some value, then we are inserting the particular list. Let's take a test. I'm going to refresh for testing, creating an account. So we need account name test con, and phone number is something like okay. I'm saving the record. So you can see there is a contact automatically created with the same phone number. Like that, you can write the whatever you want the information from the account, you can tag over the code. Okay, here for today we are good. In the next session I'll come with a different scenario. Bye bye.